the K-Slot sale at my grocery store. This is going on all over the country, guys. I saved 51% off my grocery bill this week. Instead of $475, I only paid $230 for all of this. I got chicken for $1.79 a pound. It had a big box, $35 for 20 pounds. Got ravioli, quick and easy lunches for 99 cents. Ramen noodles for $1/4 a pack. Jar of spaghetti sauce for 99 cents instead of the $2 and something that I normally pay at Walmart. Olives were $1.19 instead of almost $2 at Walmart. I'm doing a lot of videos cooking out of my Dining on a Dime cookbooks this fall for my other channel, Super Easy Recipes. You can get that in the link below, but I'm going to be showing you some cheap, easy meals on this channel also. And brown sugar and powdered sugar, that is a great deal, $1.49 instead of over $2. I think it was like $2.25, somewhere around there. I got this question this week from Brad at the Habitat Restore. We shop there all the time for our furniture and paint and stuff, but we always get to talking about food prices. And he texted me and he said, Tara, is this a good stock up price on pasta? And I said, yes, it is. And he was able to go in and get pasta and tuna and chicken and one other thing, I can't remember what it was. And he is stocked up for a year now. But he didn't know if it was a good price or not. So how do you know if it's a good price? So what I do is I keep track of it in my price book right here. We have all your we have several pages of just your regular normal foods that everybody does, and then blank pages for you to fill in. But at the top, you put in your store name, then you put the date and the price you paid. I usually do per ounce, but you can do it by the pound, however you want to do it, or by the package. Then I know this is normally $2.24 a jar. It's 99 cents. You better believe I'm getting a year's supply of spaghetti sauce at that rock bottom price. That's my rock bottom price here in Sheridan, Wyoming, for those of you wondering where I'm shopping at. So the price book is how I keep track of the prices. That's the first way you save on your groceries. Then the next thing I do is I take our Dining on a Dime cookbooks. These are the recipes that I use all these things for. I don't go make menus and then just go buy the food at the store. I replenish my pantry and then I just cook basic recipes using the ingredients I already have on hand. That's how my grocery bill is only $400 for a family of 4 versus $800, $1,200, $1,500 that some people are spending on a family of 4. Is I buy at rock bottom prices, and then I cook easy meals. A lot of them are just 4 and 5 ingredients, get you in and out of the kitchen quick that your family loves. Now, the next thing I do is, let's say I'm at the grocery store, let's say I'm running to Walmart, I'm not going grocery shopping, but I happen to see there's something on clearance for a really good price at Walmart, or I'm at the grocery store or whatever, and I forgot my price book. What do? I just go to the Walmart app, type in the item. So let's say they have, this is the name brand spaghetti sauce. Let's say they have Ragu spaghetti sauce on sale. And I just realized I told you the price for the Ragu, not the Walmart. Okay, this spaghetti sauce is $1.67 and it was on sale for 99 cents. The name brand is $2.24. So let's say that I got Ragu for, I see it on clearance for 50 cents. I will know that my normal stock up price is 99 cents, and that's a darn tootin' good deal if I have my price book. But let's say I don't have my price book, then what I do is just go look at the app, see what the normal price is, and if it's a better deal than what I normally pay, I will just stock up on that clearance item. Your goal is to buy as many groceries as you can on sale. Your goal is to not pay full price for any groceries. Now, I'm not going to say I don't pay full price for any groceries. I do. I live in a small town. I only have 2 grocery stores and Walmart, and those 2 grocery stores really are awful. They never have stuff in stock. I have to go several times to the grocery store, but I do buy probably 70% of my groceries still on sale. About 70% of my groceries are on sale all the time because I stock up. I don't have to buy spaghetti sauce for the next year. I'm good. I don't have to buy olives for almost a year. I'm good. I don't have to buy brown sugar or powdered sugar for probably, well, it depends on how many cooking videos I do, for 6 months. So I stock up and shop from my pantry. That's how you cut your grocery bill in half. As I was editing, I realized I forgot something very important. I saved $240 on this grocery haul doing 1 hour's worth of work. If I earn $20 an hour at a normal job, that would be $15 an hour take-home pay. That would mean I would have to work 15 hours because I take away my 1 hour's worth of work. So 15 hours to pay for that same savings of $240. So if I would have gone to the grocery store and paid retail for all of this, I would have had to work 15 hours. But instead, I only worked 1 hour, and I basically earned $240 an hour. I don't know anybody personally who earns $240 an hour. That is a huge savings. So people say, why should I stockpile? Why should I buy stuff on groceries? I don't have time to save money on groceries. I don't have time to shop the sales on groceries. You don't have time not to shop the sales on groceries. Just think of all the time and energy you will save if you just start shopping the ads, not to mention all of the hundreds and thousands of dollars per year. With what people are spending now on groceries, you could save upward of $10,000 per year if you would just shop the grocery ads. If you save $10,000 a year, that is 16 weeks of working 4 months every year that you could take off from work. Finding the time to shop the deals is 100% worth taking the time to do.